Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I have not saw you guys in a month or two, or you have not heard my voice in a month. So I am back this month, and yeah, so I missed a lot of stuff. So first I'm going to show you what I missed. So first I missed Extremely Severe Cyclonic Storm Matmo, which I was going to cover, but then I missed Super Cyclonic Cyclone, don't know how to pronounce this, Kiar, don't judge me, and I did not cover Lorenzo and all the storms above that, except for Melissa and 15. But other than that, I did not cover Pablo, which I was tracking. Basically, we have very severe cyclonic storm Matmo / Bulbul. So it is a category 2 cyclone, 1 minute meaning. So as of November 8th, it is 90 miles per hour, gusting to 100 miles per hour, and pressure 980 millibars. HPA is another word for millibars, which means how strong the storm is. And so, obviously, here's a picture of it. And it is expected to hit parts of Chittagong, Kolkata, yeah, I don't know how to pronounce these. Basically, it's supposed to make landfall. And yeah, so we also have this huge winter storm, which I'm getting ready to bring up. So obviously, the system has moved away, but for the Northeast, just going to track that, because they're just going to get snow and snow and snow and snow. And that's near where I live. Not telling you anymore. Basically, let's go on the 18Z. So, on the 12Z, it showed a snowstorm November 22nd. A huge one, actually. Supposed to bring down inches. And then we have this storm. Another nor'easter. So we have 2 nor'easters that are coming up, which I will be showing you the tracks of them. So on the storm, the black line is the track and the blue is like the areas. So the very light blue is the heavy snow, and the medium blue is like medium snow, and the dark blue is like less snow. So on the dark blue, you can see about 1 to 2 inches of snow. That means it's not going to snow as hard in that area. Around 1 to 2 inches. In this area, you can see 5 to 8 inches of snow, which I think is a lot, and it's kind of early. So, and in this scary area, 9 to 12 inches, and because it was like that, since it was like closer, it's like obviously going to bring more snow, but obviously this could mean like rain. Obviously some rain in some parts. And that was November 18th to 19th. in November 22nd to 23rd, the storm is on land. And on the outside, you can see 1 to 3 inches, that little outer circle. And that means like not that heavy snow, but still. So in the middle, not in the middle, but at the 3 to 6 inches, you can see some gusty winds. Not so gusty winds, but at the same time still gusty. But at the strongest point, which is at the middle circle, 6 to 12 inches of snow, which it could be a lot, to be honest. But it might affect that area if it does. So these are just 2 predictions on snowstorms, and hopefully you have a great day, and bye.